Rona Lalaine Lopez, 20 Mangaldan.
And next award would be Miss Photogenic.
She will receive 5,000 pesos in cash, sash, and bouquet.
Who do you think it will be our Miss Photogenic for tonight? You are our Miss Photogenic candidate number 13. Congratulations!
Top 12 candidate number 13 Mangaldan.
Semi-finalist number 5 from Mangaldan.
Can we please have candidate number 13 from Mangaldan?
I pick judge number 6.
Hello, candidate number 13.
Hello,
How are
sir.
you?
I'm okay. My heart is warm and I am blessed to be here. Thank you.
My question today for you is, what is the biggest challenge that your generation faces today, and how would you solve this problem?
I think the most challenging that the youth is facing today is the fact that we have this beauty standard that we are currently basing, and it actually causes our happiness and sanity. And I want people to see me and look at what I have achieved and to go out of their comfort zone, because I believe that when they believe in their power of their dreams, they could do anything that they want. Thank you.
Here you go, Megan. It's a different question this time.
Our Miss Mangaldan 2022!
My life journey has changed when I was crowned Miss Mangaldan 2022. With the crown comes with greater personal and social responsibilities and unending doors of opportunities. Bountiful culture, beautiful home. Behold, Mangaldan.
𝗖𝗍𝗍 Rona Lalaine Lopez, join me as we experience the beauty and fun of my Pinagmulan Mangaldan, Manila.
In this busy street begins the commerce of the town. From the famous Pindang of Mangaldan,
Pindang Mangaldan, Masang Samil.
its vibrant festivities and rich culture, and indulging pasalubong. Interesting fun fact, our town's Pangasinan salt making. But more than what we offer is our devoted and persevering people, our efficient and supportive leaders. Like 𝗚𝗏𝗍, my journey is more of a responsibility of serving my community, fighting for my love for our culture and for our fellow men. My appreciation for my home has deepened through time. This journey is a constant realization of redeeming and knowing myself even more, just like constantly discovering the beauty of my town, Mangaldan. Your modern princess warrior of Mangaldan, your Limgas na Pangasinan 2023.
All right, everyone, please welcome the second finalist, candidate number 13. How are you feeling, candidate number 13?
I'm very grateful that we're at last on the top 5 po. It's a fast, very fast journey.
Yes, very fast nga. But you're finally here in the top 5 and ready for the final question. So you will be given 30 seconds to answer the question, and when you hear this sound, that means that your time is up. Are you ready? All right, here is your final question. As a proud Pangasinense, how can you best introduce your province to first-time tourists visiting the place? Where will you bring them, and what is the best way for them to experience our world-renowned hospitality? Ako pala yung nag-fumble. Hospitability.
I will showcase them, I will bring them to Our Lady of Manaoag, aside from my municipality, because I believe that as Pangasinenses, we ourselves are very spiritual and religious. And with the recent Holy Week, we can see how devoted we are as Pangasinenses, that we are not just 𝗸𝗴𝗯 who is resilient and brave. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Candidate number 13.
Our second finalist, will she wear the crown?
Limgas number 13, Rona Lalaine Lopez, Mangaldan. If I will be crowned Limgas na Pangasinan 2023, I will continue the legacy that other Limgas queens have started. I will not just carry the name of Pangasinan in my heart. I want to be an epitome of a strong, compassionate, and resilient woman like Princess 𝗸𝗏. I believe in aiming high and aspiring for nothing but the best. And despite initial hesitation and the sacrifices, I pushed through because I know if I were to be the best, I have to surround myself with the best. The highly recognized Limgas na Pangasinan is the best there is.
The first one that we will be announcing is the Limgas na Pangasinan World 2023. So again, ang una namin i-announce ay ang Limgas na Pangasinan World, kasunod ang Limgas na Pangasinan Grand.
Our Limgas na Pangasinan Grand will receive 150,000 pesos in cash plus monthly honorarium. Miss Nikki Redefined Beauty Products gift certificate worth 12,000 pesos. Calon Laser and Aesthetic Clinic Products, bouquet and sachet. To present the award, we have Vice Governor Mark Ronald Lambino and Attorney Melanie Lambino. For Limgas na Pangasinan World, she will receive 200 pesos in cash plus monthly honorarium. Miss Nikki Redefined Beauty Products gift certificate worth 20,000 pesos. Calon Laser and Aesthetics Clinic Products, J&T Magic Box, bouquet and sash. She will be the province's representative in the Miss World Philippines. To present the award, we have Governor Ramon Bonbon V. Gico III and Man Tuazon Gico, together with Mr. Arnold 𝗚𝗏𝗏, owner of Miss World and Miss Grand.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, again, we will be announcing Limgas na Pangasinan World. And the winner is candidate number...
Candidate number...
Candidate number 3!
Congratulations, 𝗚𝗏𝗏 from Bimale.
That means that candidate number 13 is your Limgas Grand 2023.
Congratulations to all the candidates.
Congratulations to Limgas na Pangasinan Grand from Aldrin, Rona Lalaine Lopez.